Hi guys, welcome to the EComposer tutorial. In this video, I will share with you how to enable EComposer Theme Helper. So, let's get started. To begin with, now we are in the EComposer app dashboard. And you can see a red notification telling you that you need to enable the EComposer Theme Helper to make this app work. Therefore, you can customize your theme design using the EComposer powerful editor. To do that, you need to click on the Enable Now button. Then the Shopify store will lead you to the theme editor. You can see the EComposer Theme Helper has been activated automatically. Then click on Save to save all changes. And exit to go to the EComposer app dashboard. Congratulations! You now have completed enabling the EComposer Theme Helper successfully. And you can start building your stunning templates by EComposer now. That's the end of this video. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification to get the newest videos from our channel. Feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.